Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It's August 9th when I'm recording this, and if you guys are new to me, be sure to check out profitpilot.com. If you are seeing this, you're probably there anyway, but we do have a YouTube channel as well. And then if you guys like the way that I show the Moxie indicator and any of the principles behind it, you guys can always pick up the Moxie indicator on Thinkorswim. We have it on stockcharts.com and also TradingView. All right, so one of the first things I wanted to show you guys, coming over here, is some similarities in setups. And so if we look at this, there are two patterns here. One of them is an elf shoe, inverse elf shoe, and the other is an inverse trampoline move. Now, I'll start with the easy one. The inverse trampoline move is when price is over the 50, but the Moxie indicator is below 0. Now, that doesn't always mean go short. It might have been a great time to go short on this one, but it doesn't always mean that. It mostly can mean don't go long right now. So it depends on context, okay? And so you can kind of see back here, we almost pretty much had an inverse trampoline move, and it meant don't go long right now. It meant wait for the pullback, and then there would be another move for you. This one, hey, yeah, maybe we could have shorted. Again, depends on context, the market, what's going on, and where everything is at. But that was a pretty clean inverse trampoline move. Price over the 50, the Moxie indicator below 0, and then we could also see the inverse elf shoe here: leg, heel, arch of the foot, ball of the foot. There's your inverse elf toe. We saw that on ARC, and we saw that on a couple other places that were, pretty obvious to be able to see this. And so it really gave some reassurance or some confidence as to what the market was looking to do on something like this. And then let's see if I have one of these. And then another example is GLBE that looks exactly the same, and they did exactly the same thing. You can see here it has an inverse trampoline move. Price should not be over the 50 if the Moxie indicator is below 0. Sure, it was a double top and obviously negative divergence. And you could see the same leg, heel, arch of the foot, ball of the foot, and inverse elf toe down there. Yes, this one is earnings, but it actually started before earnings. So yeah, just wanted to show you guys the similarities, consistencies of some of these setups, whether they're up or down, and how that worked for you. Another one that I thought was interesting, if we just look at Roblox. Now, Roblox definitely got hammered on earnings, big move down. But look at this, it was trending down the entire time and trending down like this. Moxie indicator really didn't give any signals of anything, and it dropped 20%. But then you look at Toast, and it's practically the same thing, and it went up by 20%. And you could see here that it was down, and then reversed, and then down, and popped. So I just wanted to show you guys that, earnings, anything can happen. You just don't know. It's a roll of the dice. It can go up or it can go down, and just really two good examples of that where it went either direction. All right, thanks again, and we will see you at the next one.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.